Hello everyone. As part of our health talk series, today we are here to talk about a very common condition of the skin, atopic dermatitis or eczema. It is winter and people are suffering from irritated skin, and mostly people come already pre-diagnosed as atopic dermatitis or eczema. It is a condition where the skin is irritated and itchy and sometimes flaky with inflamed red rashes all over or sometimes just at certain parts of the body. It is very common in adults and even small children. So there are a few tips that will help you to deal with eczema through this winter in a better way. Here we go. Primary thing is to find out what exactly the allergen is. Just like a cough or a sneeze, atopic dermatitis is also a condition where the body responds to any unsuitable factors to it, and the reaction is over the skin, and hence finding out the allergen towards the body is very important. It can be anything like dust, pollen or pet hair, or it can be extreme temperatures, it can be any applications over the skin, it can be the fabric of the dress that you wear, and it can be even a kind of food that you eat. So finding out what is your unsuitable factor or the trigger factor that flares up this kind of a reaction is very important. And once that can be found out, you can avoid it from direct contact with your body, either internally or externally, and that will help in a great way to deal with your reaction towards it. Another very important factor is moisturizing the skin. At this point, we often see people moisturizing the skin with sometimes wrong substances. Like mostly we see people choosing oils and external applications thinking it's herbal and purely safe. But just like how moisturizing is very important to increase the barrier surface or the protective mechanism of the skin, it can also be a reason for a direct contact to any substance that is not suitable for you. So whenever choosing a right moisturizer, that is also to be made a part that you choose the right one for you, especially as a fragrant free one and substances which is not irritant for you. Mostly in clinics we use as water based for washes, we use as external applications like lepana, as we use certain taila or kashaya for dhara or kind of washes that we say, and also a lot of internal medications that help to moisturize within and outside as well. So choosing the right moisturizer in the form of herbs and also as cosmetic, it's very important that it does not adversely affect the skin. The right moisturizer can help you deal better, and at the same time when choosing the wrong application for you can trigger your eczema much more than it was earlier. So whenever you choose your applicants, make sure that you meet your physician and decide what's best for you. Also, it is very important to keep a very good wash routine. Whenever you wash, especially if it is for children and even for adults, make sure it is short baths and not long warm baths. Lukewarm water is best for washes, and it should not go for long duration because that will dehydrate the skin and make the skin surfaces more irritable or more subtle. So in that case, always make short baths and never use very rough or sensitive, very harsh soaps or detergents for direct contact to the skin. Always make sure that you use mild substances, soap-free washes, if possibly liquids, and not harsh chemicals. Options like oatmeal bath is very good, which will help to even increase your skin protective mechanism, and also right moisturizing soon after bath will help to seal in the moisture that will help to improve the protection of the skin. Extreme temperatures and humidity level also increases the skin significantly, and hence that is also to be kept in mind, especially during the nights. And a very common, most unnoticed factor is also the psychological factor. Too much of stress and anxiety is another reason for flare-ups of eczema or atopic dermatitis. Hence, maintaining a peaceful balance between your mind and body and the external factors that come in contact with you and your body is very important to maintain a balance in your skin health. Thank you so much.